So today we are celebrating the official ribbon cutting for Vesper Street Trail. It's a trail that took us about 7 years from after its inception to construction, get it up and open, which we're very excited about. It's another way for the community to get around and to get into Tysons. There's no parking at some of the metro stations, and I think Spring Hill is one of them. So now the communities can walk essentially through within 15-20 minutes and get to where they need to go, whether it be DC or more central to Tysons.
And we do know that trails become a transportation infrastructure for us, and that's what we're doing today. We're adding to that infrastructure.
Living in Northern Virginia, we have a lot of traffic, so by creating other modes, it gets cars off the road. So now we have just more choices. So instead of taking your single occupancy vehicle to drive to work, maybe now the community will ride the 0.4 mile trail and get to work or get to shopping without having to take their vehicle.